guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie Mermaid, and this month we are celebrating Tim Burton, and we decided to take on Dolores from the new Beetlejuice film. It's a pretty easy look. I think anybody could do it. You just have to give it a go. First off, I started painting my face white with face paints. I used a brush and then I used a beauty blender to blend it in. I then dipped my beauty blender in a grey face paint and put it all over my skin. I also added a little bit to my neck. I could have gone down further based on the costume that I wore, but I didn't want to, so there we are. I then just touched up around some of the areas, giving it a bit of a highlight, going back in with my white face paint, putting it on my nose, under my eyes, on my forehead as well. I then put a brush in some black eyeshadow and I started shadowing out parts of my face. I then added it to the cheekbones, a little bit on the nose, I then went back in with the beauty blender just to blend it up a little bit. I then took my brush and put it in some black face paint and started to draw on the stitches. You can get really creative with the stitches and get blocks of staples together. I feel like a single staple, you wouldn't really be able to see it on the makeup, but if you maybe block them together, you probably would be able to see it and get really creative and add liquid latex, or you could also add some larger industrial staples as well. But today I just decided to face paint them on by drawing small rectangles all the way down my face. I did them really big, large enough to see. You could probably just use a liquid eyeliner for this look instead of face paint. I followed the lines all the way down and the stitches all the way down my neck. I wasn't sure what the costume was going to be yet, but eventually we went with a waist trainer and a dress. The dress was a little bit revealing, so I didn't really want to show it too much. Plus, on stream, when I do stream over on Twitch, you can only see the top half of my body anyway. So I could have probably gone further with the stitches, but we decided to stop there. I then, using my face paint makeup palette from Amazon, I've had the colour silver and I went over the stitches. You could really glam this look up, I guess, and use some glitter or maybe even change up the colour scheme. That would be fun. But we just filled the stitches all the way down with the grey face paint. It's got a nice shine to it. It's a little bit shiny when the light hits it, right? A little bit metallic. For eye makeup, I used a black eyeshadow and just put it all over my eyelids. No technique to it. I made it look super messy. Just rummaging through my makeup bag. I used liquid eyeliner on my eyelids and I used a red lipstick on my lips. I put the liquid eyeliner all across my eye line and then smudged it out a little bit just to make it look a bit more messy. I also put it on the bottom of my eyelids. Put it along my waterline. And then did my eyebrows black as well, using a liquid eyeliner. We then put black contacts in. And then she does have a little bit of makeup going down her eye, so I just drew that on with some liquid eyeliner, and then I put mascara on my bottom lashes and then actually put it on my skin just to give it that as if I've been crying look. And that is pretty much it for the makeup for Dalores from Beetlejuice. We then added a black wig, a black dress, and a black waist trainer. You could probably buy a really fancy dress from Amazon, maybe a nice corset. I just used what I had. I then put the liquid eyeliner just on my lips and just finished off the stitches so it looked like it was connected. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.